In this video, we're making these baked bread rolls, which are really tasty and they make a perfect snack. These are all the ingredients you'll need for the filling, so let's get started. I first steamed all my vegetables and cooled them, but you can also boil them. After cooling, you're going to mash up your potato. Transfer it to a bowl. Mash up the carrot as well. Again, add it to the bowl. Add in the green peas, the red chili powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, coriander leaves, lemon juice, and salt. You'll need about half to 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Then you're going to mix this all up until it's well combined and it comes together. Taste and adjust the salt if needed. Then set this aside. Also grease a baking pan with some butter, or you can also use some oil. These are the ingredients you'll need to make the bread rolls. So first, to your flour, you're going to add in half cup of water and stir until it comes together. You're going to use this to bind the bread rolls together. Now you're going to take your bread slice and then you're going to roll it until it is extremely flat. This is to make sure it does not absorb too much water. And then brush it with some water. You don't want to soak it, just brush it until it's covered. Then you're going to scoop out some of your filling and shape it into a long oblong shape. And then place it in the middle of your bread. And then spread the flour water mixture on the sides of the bread. And it's okay if it's dripping a bit. And then you're going to fold the bread and seal in the edges. Just press down gently and the bread will stick together. Now set this onto your greased baking pan. Repeat this for the other bread slices. And then take some melted butter and you're going to brush the bread rolls with the melted butter. Bake these in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And then I like to grill them for 3 to 5 minutes to make them more crispy. And then your bread rolls are ready. These are extremely delicious and make a perfect evening snack with your tea or coffee. Just plate them onto a serving tray and serve them while they're hot. These are crunchy when served fresh and they pair so well with some ketchup or some mayo. The filling on the inside makes these feel like an exquisite snack. You can also make the filling beforehand and then quickly whip them up for your guests, and it will be a perfect treat. Hope you enjoyed these. Subscribe for more recipes and I will see you soon. Bye!